Hi everyone, welcome to a Ikea shop with me. It's a Saturday. It's after 3 o'clock. Why am I here? That's a good question. Because I couldn't be here in the morning, and I can't be here. Can't speak during the week. So afternoon on Saturday it is. Fun. I am home, back from Ikea, and never again on a Saturday in the afternoon. That was the worst idea ever. I mean, trying to pass with a trolley, it was horrible. And then I was the line for the checkout was insane. And self scan is like up to 15 articles, and I was like quickly checking like how many do I have, and I think I had like 14 or 15. I'm like, okay, I can do the self scanning, otherwise I would have been there probably for like an hour. And then I had hot dogs, as you do, which I had 3, and it was probably too much. It feels kind of weird on my stomach. But then I went outside and I was waiting in line to get to the lift because I had like the trolley with me, and I was parked all the way at the bottom. So it was like 3 floors different or 2 floors different. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna add to this video the whole part. I'm gonna probably record tomorrow because the light is already gone, like natural light. So I will look different, but you will, for you it's gonna be a few seconds, so enjoy the haul. As promised, this is time for the haul segment of the Ikea video. So I will quickly run you through what I got, and I'm gonna start with a thing I don't have, but you probably saw on my trolley, maybe. I don't know, Ikea was hectic, so whatever. But I got like this white tabletop, is it called? Like cinnamon or I don't know, something like that. I will use it for like taking pictures and like just have a nice solid white background, and also to actually do my puzzles on. So that's my thinking behind it. And for now I didn't buy any legs for it because they were like 15 euro for one. The one that you can change the height, that's the one I wanted. So anyway, enough about that. From like the closet section, I got these vacuum sealed bags. I already have some of those and I just needed more, so I got 2 packs. That means I have 4 bags, will be very useful. Then I finally got for myself this Cub set of containers. I think I want to reorganize kind of like my underwear drawer with like, you know, socks and also tights and stuff. So I'm hoping this will be useful for that. Yeah, I will definitely find some kind of use for it at some point. Then I got this tiny thing that's like to remove fluff from your clothes. My parents had something like this, but like a bigger version of a handle. But how it works is that like you have to go against the hair, like on your clothes, and you can see it has like this friction, and it's mainly nice for like wool coats or something, or like pants. It's yeah, my pants. It works very well. So it was I think like €1 or €2 or something, and has no name, but yeah, that's how it looks like. This is the code of it, if that's helpful. Actually the main reason why I went to Ikea in the first place is because I wanted to get these glass containers to bring my food into work, because I have like the plastic ones and they're allowed for the microwave and stuff, but there's something happening with the plastic and I just don't feel like that's very healthy. So I got 3 of these, all of them with a lid, and one round one, and this is the lid I went for all of them, because this one seals the best basically, and I also want to like, you know, put it in my bag and in the freezer, and I don't want anything to spill. So that's the main reason, and it's from the Ikea 365 Plus collection, these things. And the last but by no means least, I got these Variera plank things. So I already have this one in my kitchen to help me like get more stacking option basically. So I got one more, and I don't know yet where I'm gonna use it, but I just grabbed it. And I never had this small one. I'm thinking maybe for cups. I don't know how much height we have in the cabinet, so yeah, but I will work it out. And I got these 2 things. I have also bought like a plastic rack, like a 1 meter high rack with shelves for €10. It's already actually put up in like our storage place, so I will find the picture and put it probably here, or maybe here, who knows. So you'll know what I'm on about. It seems okay, it's not like the best of course, but I knew that when I was buying it. But yeah, that's the whole part, and that's it. Yeah, let me know if any of these are your favorites maybe, or like what is one, if you had to recommend one thing from Ikea, what would it be? I mean, it can also be furniture, to be honest. So yeah, I'm curious. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye bye.